Hello everybody, it's me, Beau, not only coming to you with one, but two, so that I could compare them side by side to make sure that one of them is not bootleg, buying one of these off of Amazon.com. Now for me, I do a lot of mountaineering. As a matter of fact, I can look up and see Mount Near. We try to summit it at least once a year, and I love wide mouth water bottles simply because not only can you fit a lot in here when you're scooping out of a river or a creek and then you have to sterilize it, put some sterilization tablets in there, but also the fact that these are tough, super tough. Let's go ahead and do this right here. As you can see, no cracking whatsoever, and I like the fact that it's perfectly clear. Look at that. You can see it all the way up to 32 ounces right there. Plus, when I'm putting something in like liquid IV or my Noon tablets, it's kind of easy to tell what the concentration is just visually by having a perfectly clear water bottle, as opposed to something translucent or opaque like this. You really can't tell. Plus, when you're out in the wilderness, you want to kind of see if there's some floaties in there, and if there's too much, I don't want it to be, that yucky. So that's why I would recommend going with clear rather than something opaque like that. So that is it. These things are tough. They are versatile. So far, I cannot tell any difference between the two. So I would argue that they are in fact genuine. And then lastly, we're gonna do the smell test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Smells completely neutral. That's good. You don't want it smelling like glue or a factory. Nice, fantastic. Love it.